Welcome to How to Solve.
Hi there! For today's video, I'm gonna show you some steps you can take in order to fix Roblox error 268. So first off, you need to go to your Windows. Now we're gonna be seeing this search button in here. It doesn't really matter if you're on the Windows 10 or 11. You just have to search for Roblox Player. After we have the app right here, we want to click and select Open File Location. And from here, we want to right click on Roblox Player and then just select on Properties. Now that we have this page, we want to select the Compatibility tab. Make sure you check this compatibility mode right here. And then from the drop down menu, select Windows 7. The other thing that you need to check here is this option right here, which is run this program as an administrator. This is very important. After we have changed this compatibility settings, just click apply and try to load up the game. Now, if you're still getting that error, there's one more thing that you can still do. You just have to go to the option where it says add or remove programs. And basically, we want to uninstall and reinstall Roblox. So from here, again, let's go to the search bar. Just type in Roblox Player. And we just have to click on the uninstall button. Once done, you just have to re-download and reinstall Roblox. Those are just some ways on how we can fix Roblox error 268.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.